Okay, so this video po will discuss some problems ng chapter 4, yung taxation ng co-ownership estates and trust. So we start with problem 4.1. So we are asked to compute for the income tax payable of the estate and then yung income tax payable ng dalawang beneficiary, si Louie at si Floyd. Now, the first thing that we should note here is wala namang na-distribute na income from the estate to Louie and Floyd. Okay? So, this will mean walang madadagdag na income personal kay Louie and Floyd. So, let's start with the rental income, no, ng estate. So, according to the problem, it's 800,000 gross of 5% tax. So, hayaan nyo na yung gross of 5% tax, no? So, tama naman na hindi mo dapat alisin yung creditable withholding tax in computing the income tax liability. And then, from the rental income, you deduct the deductible expense of 420,000. So, you'll come up with the taxable estate net income of 380,000. Now, from the income tax table, you will have a tax due of 19,500. And then kung may creditable withholding tax man na 5% kasi hindi binigay sa problem, no, deduct mo na lang dyan, no, yung 5% ng 80,000. Okay? So that's for the estate income tax payable. For the income tax payable of Louie and Floyd, so pinagsama ko na sila sa isang slide kasi kaya naman. So we start with gross business income ng dalawa, which is 325 and 380. Less deductible expenses na 117,000 tsaka 105. And then yung kanilang dividend from foreign corporation is of course subject to basic tax. So isasama natin 12,000 and 8,250. Now for prices, ang isasama lang natin sa basic income tax ay yung kay Floyd, 7,500. So for the two of them, we will get taxable net income of Louie 220,000 and for Floyd 290,750. So using the tax table, income tax due of Louie exempt kasi below 250 siya. Si Floyd is 6,112.50. So some notes about this problem. Una, yung dividends from domestic corporation, hindi natin isinama sa pag-compute ng income tax liability ni Louie and Floyd kasi those income is subject to final tax. Ganun din yung prices above 10,000, yung kay Louie. So, hindi natin isinama. Okay? Yung kanya kasi is 15,000. No? So, hindi kasama yon. That's final tax. Ganun din po yung royalty income from books. It's subject to final tax.